Drivers Luke here and welcome back to another video. Today you join me in Italy. It's the first time I've brought you guys to Italy, but I'm here this weekend at Monza for the 2018 Ferrari Finali Mondiali. Now basically what that is, it's the world finals of the 488 Challenge series, which is basically a series that Ferrari run for Ferrari's clients, and they race all over the world. And Monza this year is the final race. Now seeing as it is the final race, it's quite a special event. So Monza is just filled with Ferraris and everything Ferrari related. And me being a Ferrari lover, I was here in a heartbeat. And from what I've seen so far, there's some pretty mega stuff. So if you like Ferraris, then you're gonna love today's video. How's this for a view then? All three pieces. This is in fact the complete range of the 488 pieces. So over there we've got the, dare I say it, standard pista. Then we then have the Pista Spider, the first time I've seen that. Get a closer look at that in a second. But we also have the Pelotti. Now some of you guys may actually remember this car because this is the exact same car that I went up the Goodwood hill climb in this year. Still one of the best experiences I've had in a supercar. You can see we got the Festival Speed stickers on there. But yeah, really cool to see this thing again. Anyway, Pista Spider, like I said, the first time I've ever seen this car. This is in fact the launch car, finished in what looks to be Bianco Fuji. It's a very pearlescent paint. You can see the golden flecks there, along with blue stripes and blue carbon galore. I love these new redesigned wheels in the diamond cut finish. It's just such an elegant looking car, and to be honest, when the first shots came out of the Pista Coupe, probably that car actually, funny enough, I always thought that it would really suit a convertible drop top format, and here we go. I absolutely love it. Now I don't think that there's a more fitting car to see at Monza than the SP1 and SP2 Monzas. First time I've seen these again. And wow is all I can say. These are the latest editions of Ferrari's new Icona series, where basically what I think of it is how they've taken their old classical cars from say the 60s and 70s and whatnot and put that modern touch to it. And I absolutely love it. You've still got that iconic shape of some of the old Ferraris, and it's just so cool. I love the idea. Similar to what Porsche are doing actually with the new Speedster, but this is stunning. I think for me the SP2 would probably be my car of choice. As epic as the SP1 is, it was always nice to have a passenger, and that literally has no passenger available. Neither of them have roofs, as you can see, and neither of them have windscreens either. It's a proper car to get the real driving experience, I can imagine. But both of these are based off of the 812 platform. Both have got the same V12 that the 812 has as well. But just look at these things. Absolutely stunning. Look who it is.
Hey, what's happening, man? What's up? What are you doing there, man? You good?
Hey, what do you think of these?
That is just like, that is so sick.
I've just been stood here for the last 10 minutes.
Mate, oh my god. Wow. Which one are you going to have? SP1 or SP2?
SP2. SP2. I'm not that lonely.
Yeah.
You know? But they're stunning.
You got a shared experience, right?
Oh yeah. Ultimate driving experience. No windscreen, no roof, but you're stuffed if it rains.
Wow, yeah.
Pretty fitting though to see it at Monza.
Yeah, for real. It's so sick.
Good to see you, man.
And you too, man.
Take care. So the weather has taken an appalling turn. I look like a soggy mess, but I'm headed now to the first corner down a very treacherous, slippery slope because I want to watch some racing, because after all, this is actually a race weekend. I don't know if I'm going the right way, but I think I found the original Speedball. Am I supposed to walk on this? Still, look at this. How cool is that? Okay. Let's go.
Della variante della Rozza, velocità sempre molto
that was the quite frankly ridiculous XX program going around Monza on their Saturday set. I think that might have been qualifying actually, because obviously this, like I said, is a proper full-on race weekend. So tomorrow, which is Sunday, is the main race day. So that might have been qualifying or it might have been practice. I should have really done a little bit more research, but either way, that was really cool. First time seeing the FXXK Evo on track. And there was quite a few of them. I counted quite a few. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah, that was a pretty cool experience. But I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to venture through the car parks, because this being a pretty big event, I'm sure there'll be some cool cars tucked away in the car parks. Oh my word. I think I'm in the right place. I have just died and gone to heaven. There's two TDFs next to each other. I repeat, two TDFs next to each other. Oh my, that is satin grey. It looks amazing, let me show you. So as nice as this Rosso Corsa car is, a very clean spec with the silver wheels and the black and silver stripe, but this, I presume done via the tailor-made department, satin grey, looks so cool. Ooh. Portofino rolling past, one of the first ones I've seen customer car wise I believe, but yeah, check this out, satin carbon everywhere. So on the rear bit, around the exhaust boxes, rear diffuser, you've got the diamond cut wheels with the carbon center caps, such a clean spec. But that right there needs to be carbon just to make it fully stealth, but that is stunning. So at this point you're probably thinking, oh yeah, that's kind of cool, yeah, cool, but how about now? Laugh, Enzo, gold wheels, yes. How cool is this? I'm having a crisis. Oh, the gold wheels on this. Not sure about the yellow calipers. I know that's quite controversial because, challenge cars. Yeah, gold wheels with yellow calipers. What are your thoughts? I'm not keen. I don't know why, but I just think it clashes too much. I tell you what, there's a lot of cars that have come from Spain. All three of the TDFs that we've seen from this point, and the Enzo, is registered in Spain. Pretty cool. So I think that was a pretty successful little car park mission. Sorry about the background noise. It's kind of cool though, right? It's 488 challenge. But anyway, it's about midday now. I'm starving, so next mission is to find some lunch. Told that this is a traditional Italian burger. Looks more like something from Subway, to be honest, but looks good. But anyway, yeah, today so far has been mental. I mean, I've lost count of what I've seen. I mean, just recently in the car parks, 2 laughs, 3 TDFs, an Enzo, 812s, 488s, you name it, it was in there. That was insane. And to be honest, the weather today hasn't really been that good. So we've kind of been quite lucky. I mean, it's starting to get a little better now. The skies are turning blue again, which is nice, but I'm going to eat there. I'll see you in a minute. Now at the very beginning of this video I said to you guys, if you like Ferraris, you're gonna love this video. And all I can say right now is, you've been warned. This room is filled with just about every single variant of Ferrari's racing vehicles. We've got some of the modern stuff like the 488s, the 458s, and then over the other side we've got some F1 cars and some older cars as well. This is absolutely amazing. So we've got the whole lineup of Ferrari's Challenge Series over the years. We've got the 348 right at the beginning, and then all the way down to the latest 488. The F1 cars are on track, by the way, if you heard that. But yeah, it's just so cool to see. It's almost funny how tame the 360 Challenge looks compared to like the 488 Challenge now. You've got a massive wing on the back, but this kind of looks, dare I say it, like the road car, which is actually kind of cool. Okay, this is an F40 GTE. I have never seen one of these things in my lifetime, so I imagine they are pretty stupidly rare, but just have a look at this. Again, I have no idea any production numbers or values or stats of this thing, so all I can really tell you is look at it. It's amazing. Look at that rear wing, still maintaining the kind of road variant wing, but it's just mental. Louvres over the front wheel arches. You've got this racing livery with all the stickers, racing lights, an extended front splitter. Oh my days. Single seat as well. Obviously this is a completely race prepped car, so you could probably lift it up with just your hand. It's probably that light, but look at this thing. What a day! Please do excuse my Italian friends on the old microphones, but what a day! Day one of the Finali Mondiali. Finali Mondiali! This Italian air is making me going very strange, but yes, what a day. Highly recommend this event. And I'm still going to do it all over again tomorrow, which I cannot wait for. But I'm going to call it a day now because there's still a few more races which are going on. I kind of want to enjoy them for myself rather than having the lens pointing at it all the time. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, then please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.